Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And today, I'm in the basement. So today, we'll be doing the two cats that I just show you about. Okay, let's get into it. Now let's start off with it's Coco. Yeah, Coco is so shy and she always has had a little bit fun time, and yeah, that's what she do too many times. What would she do? And ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Coco. Okay, that's good for now. And okay, you guys, last but not least, it's gonna be Lucy. Okay. Sorry. I'm just gonna leave her here. Okay. So Lucy's kind of a bit crazy in this house, and me and my family were, oh yeah, take Lucy outside of my backyard of my house. And oh yeah, and you guys say hello to Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Okay, you guys. So, okay, that's the end of this video. And okay, like and subscribe. And if you guys yeah, if you guys are the cutest cat in this of Lucy or Coco, let me know in the comments. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of this video. So, peace.